will call it a wasteful activity, right? So identify waste exists everywhere. For example, today webinar we started at 7 o'clock. What is the time now? 8:50. So 1 hour 60 and then 50, 110 minutes. Do you think we are productive all 110 minutes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great to hear. But actually, there could be some maybe initial introductions and all those things. Probably from the customer point of view, some of you might have felt uncomfortable. Am I right? Suppose we do more of marketing and not of instead of focusing on the knowledge consummation. I'm going to do marketing also in the next 5 minutes. But definitely from the customer point of view, those are all going to be non-value adding. Right? You need to think from the customer point of view and accept that some of the activity what you are doing may not be of great interest to your customer. Those activities are called wasteful activities. If there is a better way of doing a job, you don't adopt it. What is that called? Can I call it a waste? There is a better way of doing a job exists, but we don't adopt it. Can I call it a waste?
Yeah, sir, can.
Then you are a practitioner of lean. That's all. For example, see the money withdrawal. How all of us withdrawn our salary and paid to the biller. We all went to the bank, filled up the challan, stood in the queue, collected the cash, and then paid to the biller 10 years before. Are we doing all these things today?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir, Google Pay.
We
No, sir.
don't even see the currencies. Am I right? We rarely see the currencies. We rarely count. Counting the currency is also a wasteful activity according to Lean. Why do you want to count it? If a better way of doing handling the money exists, why do you want to count it? And then there are many other issues. Automatically, many issues will get solved. Am I right?
Yeah.
By making everything digital,
Yes.
there is no, I don't know to what extent I am right, but many problems are getting solved by digitizing the transaction. This is exactly Lean. How much time it took with the old traditional method of money withdrawal? At least 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour?
Half a day.
Half a day. Sometimes
Yes,
we
Then
apply
half day,
leave.
sir.
Yeah, very good. Sometimes we apply leave to withdraw our salary, monthly salary. But now, how do we withdraw the money? It's not matter of hours. It is now matter of clicks. Am I right? I
Yes, sir.
open a mobile app and then I just press 5 buttons and now my task is done. All the monthly bills are paid in just few minutes. Where is few minutes and where are few hours and half a day leave? This is the kind of impact Lean can bring you in your business. All positive impact, right? And this is called Lean, and because of which the efficiency of your performance will improve. Six Sigma will ensure your effectiveness. That means your products are great. Lean will improve, will ensure you are super efficient. If your products are great, then your products are premium products. If you are super efficient, your products are very, very competitive in terms of price also. Imagine what will happen to your business if you launch high quality products at a very competitive price. What will happen? Everybody will buy your product. That's what you want to happen, isn't it? So this is what Lean Six Sigma will gradually make it happen for your company. Right? You will definitely become a big brand. You identify all the big brands in any domain and go and find out what are they practicing. They will be definitely practicing Lean and Six Sigma approaches. And you learn Lean Six Sigma, master everything, then very soon you will be working for one of the big brand. Either you will make your company a big brand or you will be in a bigger brand. Both way it is beneficial. I hope all of you will agree with me. Right?
Sir, means good quality with less wastage, sir?
Yeah, high quality product. At the same
With
time,
less wastage.
lesser cost.
Okay.
High quality means low cost. You can understand if somebody is charging you heavily, can't you understand their inefficiency? Can't you understand their ineffectiveness? You can do the Six Sigma training paying 1 lakh rupee also. Am I right?
Right, sir.
Yes.
You can do it by spending a nominal money with us also. It is up to you, right? So some marketing. All right. So lean is nothing but simplification. Simplify everything. Make things simple to your people. They will produce magic results. There is no point, driving your car in a traffic environment and then, blaming the car and the driver. No, you bring the car here. You don't need to change anything. Same driver is okay for me. Same car is okay for me. But now the performance will improve. My operator is normal, but my process is designed in such a way that even a normal employee will give me excellent result. This thinking is called lean. Simplify everything. Make problems come to the surface on its own. You really don't require managers to dig everything deeper. This is called a lean. There are several tools you need to master under lean, only to make sure you get a continuous flow, you get everything just in time, and then you get everything visualized. These are nothing but 7 waste, 5S, Kaizen, SMED, Kanban, and then value stream mapping, and then TPM, total productive maintenance. You maintain all the equipments, and the quality problems because of the maintenance aspect will get addressed. TPM. So using maintenance as a tool to achieve the desired level of quality, right? That is TPM. And then 3M, Muda, Mura, and Muri. What is Muda? Waste. There are 7 waste. What is Mura? Unevenness. You remember I spoke about leveling. Level the resources equally. 10 factories, run all 10 factories. There are 3 shifts, you run all 3 shifts. Something like that, right? Always think of leveling. Your burden will come down. If you don't focus on leveling, then overburdening will happen. Somebody told, I will overload my equipment. I will overload my manager. I will overload my employee. Then when you overload, then they will abruptly fail, right? So one will cause the other. So take care of all the 3 M's. Your entire organization is taken care. So we'll continue more probably tomorrow. And